Hello, I'm going to teach you something, or you may already know it, a kind of meditation practice called loving kindness. Now, this is a very, very powerful technique. It really makes a heaven of this earth. It dissolves enmity, and it helps us to feel real joy and peace in this very life. It's very simple. I'll take you through about a 10-12 minute meditation right now. So grab a seat. You don't have to sit in full lotus or anything like that. You can just get a seat with a backrest and just settle in. If you can, have your feet flat on the floor. And then put your hands, one in the other, in your lap, or however you are comfortable. There's no real rules. Then just allow the eyes to gently close. Gently close. And sit upright, not stiff, but just with the chest open, shoulders back a little. Then just relax. So we're upright from spinal alignment, not from forcing the muscles to hold on to anything. And this takes time to master, many years. Many years. Your posture matures as you go, so don't worry about it. Then bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel whatever's present there. That might be tingling. Might be tightness or temperature, itching. Just feel it. Then relax the scalp as if it's melting. And that sense of awareness and softening, allow that to now seep into the forehead and the eyes. The jaw. Relaxing any holding in the jaw. The neck and throat, shoulders, arms, hands, the torso, softening, being aware. The buttocks, feeling them pressed against the surface you're seated on. The legs and the feet. So if you can, soften further. Letting any tension leave the body if it's ready. Then bring your attention to your heart center. This is not the anatomical heart over to the left. It's right in the center of the chest. Just over from where the heart actually is. This is the energy center of love. And so breathing now, as if breathing from this place, as if the chest is porous. You can breathe in fresh air from this point. And then imagine over on the horizon. It's the beginning of a day, and a beautiful sun begins to come up, spreading its light, its warmth, its energy all over the lands. And as you breathe in, imagine you're breathing in those rays of warmth, of light, of healing and protection. And for a moment, just having a sense of gratitude towards the sun. Without it, there would be no life. And every day, it comes to give the gift again. And now we begin to say phrases. 4 phrases. And from this point in the chest, the heart center, we begin to say the phrases as if speaking from there. The first one is, may I be happy. So you repeat that internally now. May I be happy. Slowly and meaningfully. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. May I be free. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. So you can Use all 4 phrases if you wish, or just work with 2 or 3. Or if they don't resonate with you, you can choose your own. And we say them slowly, mindfully, full of meaning and care, giving ourselves this much needed self-care. So often we berate ourselves. This practice heals that. And once that's healed, you become a joy to be around. We owe it to others to become happy. When we're happy, they want to be around us. We uplift them. So there's nothing selfish in this practice. It's for the good of all. May I be happy. May I be well. May I be safe and protected. May I be free. And when the mind drifts away into thinking, just gently bring it back. Back to the phrase you're on. This acts as a mantra, helping to keep us in the present moment, and also helping to awaken the heart. And now I'd like you to imagine someone who's very dear to you, a small child, a pet, a good friend. And if you can visualize, imagine them seated in front of you now. If you can't visualize, that's fine. Just bring that energy in front of you now. And we begin to say the phrases to them. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe and protected. May you be free. Free from whatever troubles you. Fear, anxiety, pain. May you be free. May you be happy. May you be well. May you be safe and protected. May you be free. And as you say these words to them from the inside, from the heart, imagine them traveling on a beam of light from the heart, showering them with loving kindness and protection. If you can visualize, look into their eyes as you say it. This is a moment of true tenderness, happening here right now. A moment to stop and appreciate someone who's dear to you. So I'll leave you to practice those phrases for a minute or two in silence, and I'll come back to you. And now let the image of this person fade, and bring your attention into your heart center, pulling all of your intentions right inside. You may feel a glow in the heart, a warmth. You may feel nothing. Both are valid. And both do different things. Each very valuable. So I'm going to ring the bell in a moment, and when I do, you can move and stretch, and then open your eyes. I hope that was useful. I've got practices like this professionally recorded on my channel, so please do like and subscribe and let me know in the comments how that went for you, and if you would like to see more of this, and if you'd like to go on to the further stages, because I'd love to take you on that journey with me. Have a wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever it is, wherever you are.